Here I will show you how to repair Diwali light by removing its adapter. As you can see, I have Diwali light and this is the adapter which controls it. First I will disconnect all of this wires. Now you have to search and separate wires which are connected to bulb and which are not. Once you found, then connect wire which are connected to bulb together and which are not together, like this. Now connect the wire with plug and you are ready. Let's see it works or not. As you can see, it's working, but there is one problem here, that is it will not blink. That function will be lost.